Basic Math, Chapter 16, Section 11, Area of Circles. To find the area of a circle, you need to square the radius. Remember that to square the radius, you multiply the radius by itself. To find the area of a circle, use this formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. Find the area of this circle. Step 1, write the formula 3.14 for pi and substitute 4 inches for the radius. So here's the formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. In this case, 3.14 times 4 times 4. The area of this circle is about 50 and 2400 square inches. You can find the area of a circle if you know the diameter. Just divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius, then use the formula above. We're given the diameter of 10 feet. When we write the formula, use 3.14 for pi, divide the diameter of 10 by 2 to get the 5-foot radius. The formula is area equals pi times radius squared. 3.14 times 5 times 5, and when you run the math of multiplying 3.14 times 5, you get 78 and 5/10 square feet. So for practice A, we have 3.14 times 4, because the full area formula is 3.14 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now 3.14 times 4 will give us that 16, 5, 12, 12.56 square inches. But now we have a diameter, so we have to divide 8 by 2, and so we just want the radius, which will be 4 centimeters, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now the formula would be the area equals 3.14 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So 3.14 times 16, 24, 8, 18, 0, 4, 1, 3, add 4, 12, 10, 5, 2 decimal places, square centimeters. So we get 50 and 2400 square centimeters for number 2. And then you can see if you can get number 3, you would set up the problem as area equals 3.14 times 7.5 times 7.5. Let's take a look at practice B. Find the area of each circle. Use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer to 1 decimal place. So now we're adding rounding in the end. 1 decimal place means to the nearest tenth. That's 1 decimal place. So for number 4, we are given the radius. Area equals 3.114 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So we get 3.14 times 49, 36, 12, 27, 28, 0, 16, 5, 12, add it up, 6, 8, 13, 5, and 1. And there's 2 decimal places. So we've got 153 and 86 hundredths. To round that, we'll be looking at the tenths place. We look one digit to the right. If it's 5 or more, up the score. A 6 is more than 5, so 8 is going to go up by 1. So the final answer is going to be 153 and 9/10 square feet for number 4. So that's how we do all of those. Remember, if you have a diameter, first you're going to divide that diameter by 2. In this case, it would be 5. So the radius of something with a diameter of 10 yards is 5 yards. So that's how we can do those. You can practice some more, and you've got your workbook in Chapter 16, Section 11 for everyday problem solving. Every winter, City Center Park has a circular skating rink with a flagpole at its exact center. The distance from the flagpole to the edge of the rink is 50 feet. So what's the radius of the rink? So if from the center of the flagpole to the edge is 50 feet, then that is the radius. The radius is 50 feet. Number 2, what is the area of the skating rink? So this would be, area would equal 3.14 times 50 times 50. And 50 times 50 would give us 2,500. We could write this here, times 3.14. 0, 0, 0, 7, 15. 0, 0, 8, 2, 6, 0, 0, 0, 15, 8, 7. So we got 7,850 square feet. For number 3, the rink is surrounded by a wall. How long is this wall? Find the circumference of the circle. So we would do our circumference would equal pi times the diameter, or our diameter would be 50 feet twice, or 50 times 2. So we would get 314. We'll be working with feet. 314 feet, because we moved the decimal 2 places to the right by multiplying times 100. All right, let me know if you have questions, and please take a look at your workbook for area of a circle. Thank you.